Welcome to today's tutorial. So in this tutorial, we are going to discuss how to add and subtract vectors. Alright, so if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, click on the subscription button now and also click on the notification button so that you don't miss out the videos that I'll be posting. And if you have any questions or you want me to help you in math, physics, chemistry and biology, feel free to contact me using any of these lines on the screen. Alright, so let's quickly begin to solve the questions. So the first question there is asking us to find the value of what? The value of z. If, it's asking us to find the value of z, which is given by u minus v, because u has been given, v has been given, and w has been given. So here what we're just finding is the value of z. So z is therefore going to be, so u, we've been given u to be 1, 2, 3. And then we're subtracting it from, we're subtracting it with what? With v. So v is 2, 2, negative 1. Okay. So if this is what you've been given, one thing you have to understand about addition and subtraction of vectors is that when you are adding or subtracting vectors, you simply just add and subtract corresponding components. So we have the x, y, and z component. So even in this one, in this other bracket, we have the x, y, and z component. So to find z, I'm going to subtract 1 minus 2. So 1 minus 2, the answer is negative 1, 2 minus 2, the answer is 0, 3 minus negative 1, the answer is 4. Because we know that 3 minus negative 1 gives us 4. How? This negative and that negative gives us what? A plus, which gives us 4. So this is the solution of the first question. Let's move on to part B. So part B is also asking us to find z, and we have been given that z can be found by working out this operation, which is u minus v plus 2w. So z is therefore going to be equal to u is 1, 2, 3. V is 2, 2, negative 1. And we have plus 2w. So 2w is, we're just multiplying 2 times w, which has been given to be 4, 0, negative 4. Alright, so we can now work out this operation. So we have z is equal to, so 1 minus 2, we have negative 1, we have 2 minus 2, we have 0 there, then 3 minus 1 minus negative 1, we have 4. Then we are adding it to this, so 2 times 8 there, or rather 2 times 4, we're getting 8, 2 times 0, we're getting 0, 2 times negative 4, we're getting negative 8. So we add these two vectors now. So addition of these vectors will also be done the same way. We'll add the corresponding components. So we have x component plus the x component there. So negative 1 plus 8, we're getting 7, 0 plus 0, we're getting 0, 4 plus negative 8, we're getting negative 4. So this is the solution. Alright, so this is a very simple question. We quickly move on to this other operation there. So we've been asked, according to the question, to find the value of z. So we have 3u is equal to w. So to find the value of z here, I'm going to make z the subject of the formula. I'll take this to the other side of the equal sign so that I remain 2z this side, w plus 3u, and everything over 2, everything over 2. The value of z becomes w plus 2 plus 3u over 2. Okay, so z is now going to be equal to, so w has been given according to the question. We have 4, 0, negative 4. and we have 3. U has also been given to be 1, 2, 3. Then we're dividing everything by 2. So we have so to find Z, we have 4, 0, negative 4. Then we multiply the 3 with everything in the vector. Yeah, in the vector there. So 3 times 1, we have 3. 3 times 2, we are getting 6. 3 times 3, we are getting 9. And then we are dividing everything by 2. So Z is therefore going to be equal to 4 plus 3, this will give us 7. 0 plus 6 will give us 6. And then negative 4 plus 9, we are getting 5. We're dividing everything by 2. So the value of Z is therefore going to be open brackets. Yeah, so we open this type of bracket which shows that it's a vector. 7 over 2, 7 divided by 2 give us 7 over 2, comma. 6 divided by 2 will give us 3. 5 divided by 2 will give us 5 over 2. So this is the vector that they want us to find. Alright, so you are going to solve the last question there as your exercise. Feel free to send your solutions so that I can check through them in case you are doubting that you've gotten it right or wrong. Alright, so make sure that you don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Click on the notification button so that you don't miss out the videos that I'm going to be posting. And if you have any questions or you want to join my online lessons for physics, chemistry, biology, and mathematics, you can simply just send your text messages or call me directly using these lines on the screen. My name is harmtedy. See you in the next tutorial video. Shalom, shalom.